everyone, my name is Winda Erika Harunisa, a second semester student in Indonesian Literature Study Program Batch 2024. And today, I'm honored to present about Masasi, Mampu Berbahasa Indonesia, a social service program designed to encourage Indonesian language proficiency among elementary school students in rural area of West Java. Language is not just a tool for communication, it's a gateway to knowledge, opportunity, and national unity. However, in many rural areas of Indonesia, children face significant challenge in mastering Bahasa Indonesia, the national language, due to the strong presence of local language like Sundanese, for example. And did you know, according to 2022 report by Badan Pengembangan dan Pembinaan Bahasa, around 70% of elementary school students in rural area of West Java use the Sundanese as their primary language. It's making their proficiency of national language, which is Bahasa Indonesia, below the national average. 48% of elementary students in rural area of West Java having a struggle to comprehend basic Indonesian text due to of the late daily interaction with the language. It's based on the result of National Assessment 2023 Kemendikbudristek. And it's having an impact to Indonesian rank, which is 74 out of 79 countries in reading proficiency based on PISA, or Program for International Students Assessment 2028. This leads to three major challenges. The first, their difficulty to understanding about the school's material. Second, limited access and higher education on opportunity. And the third one is about communication barriers beyond their community. And there are two problem formulations that we need to solving here. The first one is what are the effective resilient strategies from improving the Indonesian language proficiency among elementary school students in rural areas through the Masasi Community Service Program. And then the second one, how the Masasi its program support the achievement of sustainability development goals, which is 4.1 and also 4.6, that ensuring all the children complete the primary education and individual process educate about the basic literacy skill itself. And to address all these challenges, we create about Masasi, or Mampu Berbahasa Indonesia, that the program it support for SDGs 4, which is the target is 4.1 and also 4.6. Masasi integrate the Sundanese as a bridge of the language to make the learning Bahasa Indonesia more accessible by students in West Java. This 7 days program it's designed to improve students' Indonesian language skill through the fun, engaging, and interactive learning method, of course. With the program structure, on the first day, we will do evaluating students' current proficiency skills, and the second day, building basic vocabulary, conversations, and school subject, and the third day, engaging children with the illustration book and storytelling activity. Fourth day is teaching them with how to write a sentence and short paragraph in the correct Bahasa Indonesia. Fifth day, encourage and also interactive dialogues with the role-playing exercise, like how they to speak with their parents, how they talking with the teacher, and the sixth day we do the fun learning with the games and also creative activities. On the last day, or day 7, we concluding a past test and also establishing long-term strategies with the teacher and school, how we can do the sustainability program in the future later on after the 7 days activity. And our focus here is not to replace the Sundanese language, but to enhance the bilingual proficiency, ensuring students can master both language and strive academically and socially. With the spirit of utamakan bahasa Indonesia dan lestarikan bahasa daerah, we can ensure that the children grow up bilingual, culturally rich, and ready for their future. And I believe that if this program will be success in the future,